sa bahay nila Lola. What's in my bag, Pai?
Mama.
And mo man gi-close?
Number 1 to number 2.
Di ka hi, guys.
Diba? Hello. Kiss. Dito. Dito.
Hi, guys.
Maabon. Maabon.
Di mo na siya ball. It's a fluffy ball.
Gawas. Gawas.
Dito kami sa grocery. Mag-grocery. Bibili kami ng toothpaste and some breakfast food. Bakit ang daming tao sa Gaisano ngayon? Sa din itong paliton. Sensitive. Sensitive na yung teeth. We're home! Nilagay namin sa cage si Sky. Pero he was out the entire time we were out. Ngayon, nilagay namin sa cage kasi magwawali si Kenneth. Kasi nagkalat si Sky while we were out. I will do a grocery haul kasi nag-grocery kami doon sa sa Gaisano. Because I know you like these hauls. Grocery hauls. Nakasaba ni Sky. Kadyot raman Sky. Nagsilhig raman si Koan, si Daddy Kenneth. Okay. Pasensya na. Medyo maingay si Sky. Pag-ausun natin kaunya, kumanog silhig. Okay, let's start. To, bumili si Kenneth ng Kleenex. Para sa sakyan daw. Duhan naman, di ba? Sasara lagi. Kinuha na nila yung isa. Tapos ito, paper towels. Para dito sa aming kitchen. And then, napkin. Albatross. Albatross. Para sa CR. Toothpaste. Ito lang yata na vlog ko kanina. Yung toothpaste. And, deodorant ni Kenneth. Tapos, Downy. Para sa labahan. Downy. Meron pa kaming maliit dito. Yan. So, we're all good para sa labahan. Next bag, vlog. Isang ganito lang yung half na tray. Kasi, meron pa kami isang tray dun sa ref. And then I got tikoy. Tikoy munggo. Late na ako sa Chinese New Year, but it's okay. Habol na lang. And then, pili ako ng Alaska cream. What else? Green papaya. Para sa tinolang manok. Tinolang manok. And then, eto. Bili kami ng rice. Ganador. Kasi wala yung gusto namin na California. So, ito na lang. Ganador. Like a roommate back in Boulder, we ain't never getting older. Wala pa si Sky. And then, pang breakfast food, Partisino. Kasi magsisimula na ng work si Kenneth bukas. Maaga na kaming gigising. And then, we have 3 packs of ground pork. Ayan. Ground pork. Ground beef, cheese sticks, longganisa, smoked longganisa, and then we have some bacon. Si Kenneth bumili nito. Daghan lagi na yung mong gipalit, no? 1 kilo. chicken breast. Wala lang, pang backup lang kung wala kaming makain. And then, ano to? Tinola cut. We have some pork chops and some chicken wings. Never get tired of chicken wings. Ano sa mga favorite part sa manok dati? Thigh. Thigh yung kanyang favorite part. Me, I like drumsticks and chicken wings. Bumili din kami ng ice cream. Tig-isa kami. Ito kay Kenneth. Oreo. Oreo. Tapos yung sa akin is Reese. Reese. Let me put this in the freezer. Next bag. Bumili ako ng green tea. Ito na inumin ko. Hindi na ako magkakape. Green tea na lang. Let's see if I can do it. And then, bumili ako ng pepper sword. Kasi, I wanna try cooking, Bicol Express. Kagaya nung niluto ni Shelby. Then, popcorn. Ayan. Ito ay sa Butterlicious. Tapos, ito naman, salted lang siya. And we got some noodles. These Korean noodles. Shin Ramyun. Dalawa. Isa kami. And we got some danggit. Kahit meron pa kaming danggit, bumili si Kenneth ng danggit. Favorite niya ang danggit. Then, breadcrumbs. Tapos, evaporada. Then, we have some juice. 4 Seasons. Meron kaming eggplant. Pero meron naman kaming veggies, di ba? Paminsan-minsan. Ito. Ano siya tawag na? Hipon. Hipon. Tapos, onions. And garlic. And some more juice. 8 o'clock pa rin. Ito yung favorite ni Kenneth. Orange mango. 8 o'clock na orange mango. Ano yung favorite. And, ito, pang last, bread. We bought some bread. Pang, I don't know, snacks, breakfast. Bread. Ayo, Sky. So, yun na yun. Yun na muna yan for my vlog. Have to fix these things right here. And, yun na muna yan for my vlog for today. Because, masakit ang aking ulo. Sakit ang aking ulo. Sakit ang aking mata. Bakit? Tapos dito rin masakit. Why? Anyway, that's it. Mag-good night muna ako. Then, I don't know if I will vlog tomorrow. But, we'll see. You say goodbye na.
Night.
Good night. Mwah. Ayaw lagi ba? Ano si Sky? Lagi niyang inaano yung paa ko. He's always nibbling at my foot. No! Stop it. You nibble at your toy. I gave you a toy. No. No. Stop it. Say bye, Sky. Na-bye siya. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Anak, bye. Let's go. Anak, bye. Welcome back to another vlog. So, wait, I'm watching How I Met Your Mother while I'm cooking. Actually, gabi na ngayon. Look at my hair though. Woo! Just got out of the shower. Then I'm cooking. So yeah, gabi na ngayon. It's like 6:30 p.m. I'm not sure. Pero, yun. Hindi ako nag-vlog kaninang maaga pa kasi... Oh, and Sky wants to say hi. Hi, Sky. Say hi. Hi to the camera. Here. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Kenneth just started his new job. Actually, nagtatrabaho siya sa Toyota. So, in case you guys from Cebu are planning to get your own Toyota vehicle, call Kenneth. Nasa Mandaue branch siya, sa Tabuk, Mandaue. So, yeah. Yo. first day niya today, and actually I promised na i-upload ko yung yung vlog ko yesterday and the other day today, pero hindi ako nakapag-edit today kasi when I woke up, I just felt really groggy and I ate breakfast and then natulog ako ulit. Medyo maingay sa CR kasi naliligo si Kenneth na I think nakikinig siya kay Digong. Favorite niya si Digong. So anyway, yeah, natulog ako ulit. Woke up, watched some videos, slept. Woke up, watched some videos, slept. Woke up, watched some videos, slept. And talagang gumising ako mga 3 na. So, yeah. And I just felt like a couch potato. I didn't do anything. Like, kaganyan lang ako. So, yeah. Anyway, magbablog ako. I'll be cooking dinner. I have my rice ready, our rice ready right here. And I'm planning to cook yung niluto ni Michelle D, yung Bicol Express. So I have the, ano ba tawag dito? Tagalog? Bawang, luya, and Tagalog. Basta onions. Tapos I have the pork right here, pork belly. 2 strips lang ng pork belly. And then I have the shrimp fry. I don't know kung tama yung binili ko. And nakalimutan kong bumili ng gata. So, I'll just use this one. Ginataang gulay. Sana okay lang. How do I do this? Ilalagay ko pa siya directly sa sa baboy, or do I put it in some water? I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so magluto na tayo. I have the pan heating up and I have just a little bit of oil right there. This is my Bicol Express. Tapos nilagyan ko lang mga sili na red. Pang toppings. Hi guys. Si Kenneth nagtimpla ng juice. Kanyang contribution. Tilawi daw. Taste it. Okay ra. Daddy, natawa daw sila sa reaction mo. Kang pag-pierce sa imong lunggan. Hang? Halang.
I didn't know what to say.
Mag-ice cream muna kami.
This is our first Thanksgiving. 30 years from now, we're gonna look at the photos and say,
Kenneth is
oh, there's the four
a macho
people I
man
love most
right
in the
now.
world."
Anyway, watching How I Met Your Mother again.
Sometimes I forget how
And
seriously
bukas
you guys
na
take
ulit.
American Thanksgiving. Real Thanksgiving happened over a month ago.